You have exactly 3 seconds to convince someone not to scroll past your video. 3 seconds, and that is it. And most creators are absolutely wasting them. Let me break down exactly what happens when someone sees your video. When someone sees your video, their thumb is moving and their brain is scanning, and in 3 seconds or less, their subconscious make a decision: keep watching or keep scrolling. With this, you have no say in that decision unless your hook is engineered in a way to stop them. What makes a hook work? And I'm coming to show you. There are 3 ingredients every powerful hook needs. The first one is that it needs to create pattern interrupt. Say something unexpected, something counterintuitive, or something emotionally charged right out of the gate. For example, stop doing this if you want to grow. I made a huge mistake. Nobody talks about this in content creation. This is why your relationship is not working. This is why Ghanaian jollof tastes better than Nigerian jollof. These phrases activate curiosity. People be like, and they make the brain lean in instead of scroll past. The second thing is that it needs to make a promise. Implicitly or explicitly, your hook must answer the question, what do I get if I keep watching? Is it value? Is it entertainment? Is it a revelation? Make that payoff feel worth the next 2.5 minutes of the person who will be watching your video. Then the third thing is that it needs urgency or specificity. Vague hooks die, but specific hooks live. Compare these two examples I'm about to give you. Here are some content tips versus here are the exact 3 words that doubled my engagement overnight. Which one are you going to watch? Write it in the comment section. Exactly. Now let me give you 5 hook formulas you can still write now. It's my hack, steal it. I want you to grow, but don't forget to give me that follow and write these hack I'm coming to give you. Write them down. For one, most people or creators or coaches think then put the common belief there and continue by saying, but they are completely wrong. The second one is that I wasted, for example, time or money figuring out here is the shortcut. So you put whatever, people be like, The third one could be the maybe platform TikTok. The TikTok algorithm wants you to do X, but successful creators do Y. People like, let me look for this Y. Then the fourth one will be, in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to specify the results there. The person will be like, okay. Then the fifth one is that this one tool, habit, or mindset changed my content forever, and you have never heard of it. They'll be curious to watch. The most important rule is that write your hook last. It's a hack I've given you. After you have filmed your entire video, come back and write the hook, because once you know exactly what value you delivered, you will know exactly how to promise it up front. This is a skill that separates creators who grow from creators who stay stuck. After your hook, and the algorithm will start working for you, not against you. Tomorrow, I'm going to go deep into content ideas, because running out of idea is the #1 excuse creators use to stop showing up, and I'll fix that once and for all. Don't forget to give me a follow, and see you tomorrow. Love you.